Alright guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Brainybite tutorial. What we do here is that we teach you guys, we teach Jamb and university aspirants the way forward. We teach them how to pass Jamb and how to gain admission. Alright, we assist them gain admission. We'll make things easier for you guys in this platform. We'll give you guys updates so that you will not worry about anything as long as your Jamb and your post UTME and every other thing that regards to your admission is concerned. All right, today, without wasting much of our time, because we have talked something, the topic we have today, we have talked on something that related to it. So we have discussed something that related to this topic, so we will not waste much time here today. So topic of today is how to guess my Jamb score. That's the topic of today. How to guess my Jamb score. I know you guys will be asking, is it possible to guess my Jamb score? That's the question. Is it possible to guess my Jamb score? Yes, it is possible. It is possible. Then I will tell you why it is possible and how you can get it. Alright? It is possible only if you read, study your books. You read, you study your books, you go to the exam hall, you write, and you know what you wrote, and at the end you can get, by that time, at that particular time, you can get your Jamb score. But whereby you don't read, you don't do it, like you do not read at all, and maybe peradventure someone assisted you, so there's no way you guess the Jamb score, because you did not read. You know nothing about the exam. Like, you do not even know if the number one, if you get one question correctly, you don't even know, because someone assisted you. You understand? But if you read and you know that you know what you did, at least you will come out to say that my score ranges from 250 to 300, from 300 to 350, and all of that. Please mind you, because I'm going to assist you does not mean that you should not read. Please, I'm begging you, for God's sake. Because we are going to assist you does not mean that you should not read. You read, it is for your own benefit and not for my own. I have done my own long ago. Alright, I've done my own very far long ago. So you read now, you get yourself ready, equipped, so that the reason why I'm saying you should read is simply because if somebody is helping you, maybe on your own, okay, maybe the person has helped you get 200 and you get 70 yourself, you can see the score yourself. You understand? You have 270, but whereby you don't read, you don't expect 300 when you don't read. Oh, you don't expect 280 when you don't read. And if someone gives you 250, 240, 237, 230, understand? So you read, we will help you. It's assurance. When you read, we will help you. You will pass. You are not going to fail. Just like I have already said in my previous video, failure is not in our dictionary. We win. We won last year and we'll still win this year. That's why we keep winning. Alright? We won last year and we'll still win this year. Failure is not in our dictionary. Alright? So get yourself ready. I will get myself and my team ready. We'll assist you guys and we'll smash Jamb. That's what we know how to do. Alright? Okay. So I believe you guys have already gotten all the information I want to pass through this content. So here we'll be ending this class for today. So don't forget that I love you guys and I cherish you guys. So we keep winning until I see you guys in our next video again, or in our next class again. Don't forget, I'll be uploading videos back to back. Jamb is at hand. So uploading videos back to back. So just be checking out, just be checking out. Turn on the notification bell so when I upload, YouTube will notify you. Alright. So until I see you guys in my next video again, don't forget I do love you guys. Alright. Keep winning. Bye bye.